What an outstanding property to call home. This custom-built large house is situated on a huge 1-acre lot which is fenced in and has concrete borders. It has a tile roof and many upgrades including Lennox air conditioner system installed around 2020, digital water heater installed in 2020, upgraded water treatment system, cathedral ceilings, wool nose corners, solid surface counters, tile throughout and a family room in the rear of the home. There is a formal dining room and a dinette area in the kitchen. The pool has a propane gas heated. There is an outside storage shed and a huge 20 by 20 tiki hut. The master bath has a jetted tub and separate walk-in shower. The master bedroom has a tray ceiling and sliders to the lanai/pool area. Living in this home is like having your own hacienda. You simply will not find any other property to compare to this one. Make your appointment today as this is must-see.